Hi guys, today we want to take a look at another form of an equation. We have spent a lot of time looking at slope-intercept form, so let's just review that. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where this is your slope and this is your y-intercept. Okay, that's why they call it slope-intercept form. Today we're going to look at a new type of equation, or another form. It's still the same equation, just written in a different form, and that's called point slope. And you can probably figure out that this form of the equation we would use when we have a point and a slope. So this is what it looks like. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Okay, and you can see in this equation, here's your slope, and then this is your x-coordinate. If you have one point that you know is on that graph or in that equation as a solution, the x-coordinate of that point goes right here, and the y-coordinate of that point goes right here. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple examples, and then I think you'll find this is a pretty simple form to use, especially when you're given a point and a slope. All right, so the directions say find a point-slope equation for a line containing the given point and having the given slope. So let's write down the formula until you get used to it. If we are given a slope and a point, this is the easiest form to use. All we're going to do is put our slope right here. We're going to put our x-coordinate over here for x, and we're going to put our y-coordinate right here for y. Okay, the tricky part is point slope form, this is a minus, so when you go to plug them in, you have to be careful with the negatives. So let's give it a try. I'd have y minus -3 equals, my slope is -1, x minus, and my x-coordinate was 4. So if we just simplify that a little bit, minus negative is the same as plus a positive, and that's it. All right, so that is slope-intercept form, and that's all you have to do is plug in the slope and the point, and then just simplify a little bit to make it look a little bit simpler. Let's look at the second example. I'm going to write this out again. So we're going to put our slope in here, and we're going to put our y-coordinate in here, so y minus -6, and then our x-coordinate goes here, which is -5. So this would give us y plus 6 equals 2, and again we have minus negative, so that's going to turn to x plus 5. So if you're asked for an equation in slope-intercept form, that's all you need to do. Plug in your slope and your point and simplify. So go ahead and give the problems a try on this page, and then you can check your answers.